Welcome to the Sage Doctor tutorial on how to assign beginning balances to customer records in Sage 50. Hi, I am Adriana. I will walk you through this training. The customer beginning balances are the invoices that were outstanding as of the start date of your company file. To enter the customer beginning balances in Sage 50, click Maintain and then select the Customer or Prospects button from the menu. Enter the name. There are two buttons, Inactive and Prospect. The Prospect button is a button that is used for a customer for whom you have not created any invoices yet but have a prospective relationship. You cannot invoice a prospective customer. The General tab contains basic customer details that you need to fill up. The customer receivable account in the general ledger should equal all the total amount of all the customer account balances, as long as no other transactions are made within the company file. Details in case the customer has multiple contact details. The History tab shows all the invoices and other entries made by the name of the customer. Click the Customer Beginning Balances button at the bottom. Double-click the customer for which you want to assign the beginning balances. Now you will input the invoice number, the date, PO number, amount, and the accounts receivable account to which the amount of the invoices was posted. This field is grayed out if you use cash accounting. When finished, click the Save button. Hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Please fill the link below for a detailed consultancy of Sage 50 accounting.